Okay, so this is the amount to be borrowed, 12.3 million, and the borrowing rate is 2.2. So let me just do something like this. Let me bring this here. So the borrowing rate is 2.2. So let's look at the deposit rates. Deposit rates. So the deposit rate is 2.3. But let's look at that again. So the USD, the company will borrow the foreign currency, which is the CHF, at 4.4. So this is borrowing rates. This is deposit rates. So the deposit rate is 4.6. So 4.6 for 1 year. For 6 months will be all over 2, which will be 2.3%. So the present value of the amount to be borrowed will be discounted using the borrowing rates. And after that, converted to the local currency, then deposited using the deposit rates. So let's see how that is going to work out here. So deposit rates, let me turn this to percentage. 2.2%. While deposit rates for the USD is 2.3%. Okay, remember your discount factor, which is for discounting, you normally do 1 plus R. It is 1 plus R. That's your discount factor. Raised to power -1, -2, -3. Okay. So what we are going to be using it here. So what will now be the present value of the amount to be borrowed will now be equal to this amount times 1 plus divided by 1 plus R. Okay. So this will now be divided by 1 plus, this is my R. So therefore, the present value of the amount to be borrowed is this. So this is step 1, borrow the present value. Step 2 is to do what? Convert at the spot rates. So you are using the spot rates to convert, to do the conversion. Okay, so what is the spot rates? We have the spot rates already here. So opening spot rates is this. So we are doing the conversion using the opening spot rates. So what will that give us? The same way we did the conversion, multiplying this, we are taking it to the local currency times the opening spot rates. Sorry, opening spot rates times the opening spot rates. So that's 12,386,000. So after you've converted this amount here is in the CHF, while this amount here is in the local currency. So this takes us to what? The USD. So this amount here is USD, while this amount is what? CHF. So the final step is to do what? Deposits. Deposits. Final step is to deposit the amount borrowed. So if you are depositing, you are not discounting. here we discounted, we divided. So here you are not going to divide, you're going to multiply. So equal the amount to be deposited times 1 plus half. So 1 plus the deposit rate is the R here, and that gives 12,671,000. So in comparison to the other hedging method, which is the best? So this is the money market hedge here. Let's see what this will give us. Money market hedge is 12,671,000. So the futures contract remains the highest out of the 3 contracts. Okay. So only what you're just going to mention to examiner is the fact that for the futures contract, there is basis risk, but based on financial ground, the company should go with the futures contract because it produced the highest receipts. Thank you for watching. In my next video, I will be solving a comprehensive question on the money market hedge. Please like the video, comment on the comment section, and also share the video with your friends.